Hello. All right. So, overview video. Framework. Yes, that's what this is. So, if you YouTube UE4 top-down shooter, you'll get this little tutorial series provided by Unreal Engine. I've just went ahead and done that for you because that's just the kind of guy I am. And then I've packaged it up into a little project and am providing you with a downloadable link for it. Some of you already have access to this, and I'm starting to make tutorials for you based off this. So if any of the topics that I cover in the future are too difficult for you, please play the videos at slower speed or pause them and rewatch them again, because hopefully I'll have taken so many cuts with them to make sure that they're completely foolproof that you shouldn't need to ask any questions. But if I am an idiot, then yeah, just let me know. Other than that, on the other side as well, if it's easy or if it's boring, play at a higher speed and progress faster. So yeah, let's just go quickly through this. If you connect just a generic pad, any sort of Xbox controller will do, to your PC while you've got this project open, you'll find that the left stick moves you around, the right stick spins you around. You've got right trigger to shoot, and you've got little NPC guys who we can type in messages. We've got things to pick up with different projectiles, different weapons. We've got medipacks down there. We've got AI that can damage us. We've got AI that can be damaged and die. We've got health that can be picked up. We've got health with bugs that when the AI walks through it, it gives us health. We've got everything. But yeah, we are going to be covering things like fixing that bug, making it so our items respawn when we die or start the game again. Typing in custom messages into our NPCs if you want to have a more narrative focused game. Changing the camera on the character. Changing the way the character moves. Maybe you don't want a character, maybe you want a vehicle, maybe you want a plane. I'll show you how to do that. Adding functionality to things that exist, like the enemy spawners, so that you can choose how many enemies to spawn, how fast should they spawn, changing the enemies themselves, how fast they move, and also changing the art for all of these things, how to import art, and how best to make your art for this project, changing the lighting, creating materials, also the UI. So if we let's have a look, how to use the widget editor and get all of the information stored within your game onto the screen that you feel is important, and covering a bit of object-orientated programming theory, where we've separated out our weapons and our projectiles and our pickups and done what we call parents and children, so that you don't have to create code over and over and over again. Yeah, that's just a generic overview of the project so that you know what the rest of the series is about. Not all the videos are going to be applicable to you, so what I would do is just look at the titles and try and find one which seems like a good one to you and watch that. Might be an idea. Or you can watch them all, even if you don't need to know about it. Maybe you'll learn something, or maybe you can teach me something and let me know in a comment. So other than that, I'm gonna start recording the actual tutorials now. All right, thanks a lot.